about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine Lim Zepsiu, right here teaching you some Hakka vocabulary. Actually, Alice does that job, and I'm here just to learn from her. So today, let's talk about something that is happening this month. It's called the Full Moon Festival, 也就是中秋节啊。
半夜班
啊，对，半夜班就是8月半的意思 right? Again, a lot of times the Hakka call their holidays according to the exact date of the holiday. In this case, Full Moon Festival falls on the 15th day of the 8th month of the lunar calendar, so it's 8月半，半夜班 okay? 所以呢，中秋节呢，什么东西最重要？月拱，月亮，对不对？
对
啊，就要看好圆好大的月亮，就是要来赏月。那我们来造个句好了 ，OK？今晚月亮好圆，你要去哪里赏月 ？Which means it's a full moon tonight. Where are you gonna go gaze at that moon?
安布亚嘅月拱，
安布亚嘅月拱，
懂眼
啊，哦，很圆啊，我以为很野嘞，
不是啊，很圆。
Okay, that means tonight's full moon is very round. All right.
你愛去哪位賞月？
你愛去哪位賞月？
你要去哪里賞月？
賞月，好送。就是要賞月
是啦，賞月就是賞月
啊，对，没错 That means gazing at the moon, which is something that everyone does on full moon, okay?
那月亮的海陆腔月拱
A different dialect for the moon, 月拱 Okay, it's very similar, 还蛮像的啊。再来呢，除了看月亮之外呢，当然那天呢要吃月饼。Full moon cake. Moon cakes are very important to consume during this time of the year. 月饼怎么说？
月饼。
哦，月饼 Okay, 饼 is a cake, so it's the moon cake. 中秋节要吃月饼，还有柚子 Okay, there are two things you need to eat during Full Moon Fest. The moon cake and also the pomelo.
半夜班愛食月餅老友的
愛食月餅老友的友的就柚子 Let's review these vocabulary. First off, it's the moon fest. 8月半也就是中秋节。
半夜班
Then you have the moon, 月亮。
月拱
and the moon cake, 月餅。
月餅
And don't eat too many of those because, again, 卡路里很高，所以呢，还是节制一下哈。
OK
要记得。That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.